Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issue, how to solve WeChat not working. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat not working, you should just go to settings. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of WeChat and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors or issues on your application of WeChat. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.